Hi, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Green at Home. I was thinking, the other day when I shared with you the pantry reorganization, look you guys, I know, it's kind of messy too. Right after we moved in, I had gotten those, well actually it was after we had redone the kitchen. I had gotten those little containers up there from Target. And I like them, but when I'm busy cooking or baking, I sometimes cheat, you can tell. And when I'm finished with something, I won't take the time to get the container down. I'll just set it on the shelf. So today, this afternoon, I think I'm going to try to reorganize again. Hot cocoa. I love this stuff from Starbucks. It's like my favorite. Oh, and here's another one. I really do like it. Oh, and I got these little chipping things, spices, from a little shop downtown on the square. I need to make some bread, or maybe I'll just get some from the bakery. Okay, look, one shelf empty. Here it is. I finished the top part. 4 shelves done. Upper cabinet done. Hi, welcome back. So it's January and I'm trying to work on eating healthier. I love this granola. It's my favorite recipe and I thought I'd share it with you. It's so yummy. It's pecan, blueberry, or blueberry pecan. Okay, so it's 3 cups of oats. It's 2.5 cups of pecans. Those are from our trees out front, you guys. Yeah, we picked them up off the ground. We shelled them. We did all of that. Okay, it's 3/4 a cup of dried fruit. And you could use like any kind of dried fruit. Blueberries are just my favorite. It's 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of good maple syrup. It's 1/2 cup of olive oil. Let's see, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt over here. It's, let's see what's left. Oh, the cinnamon. It's 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon right here, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna put it together. So I'm going to combine the oats, the pecans, the salt, and the cinnamon in this bowl. Oh yeah, that cinnamon already smells really good. I haven't even heated anything up yet. So now we're going to pour the olive oil and the maple syrup over our oat and pecan mixture. Just try and get all that in there. And then mix it up really well. Oh, it sounds good. Starting to combine. Okay, now just going to spread this out onto a lined cookie sheet. Oh yeah. One-handed again. Okay, so I just lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper, and now I'm just spreading out the mixture. Our granola is going in. Okay. We're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes and stir it. And it's going to cook a total of 35 to 40 minutes. Stir it all up, even it back out, and then we'll put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Here it is, yummy blueberry maple pecan granola. You can store it in an airtight container and it will last 2 to 3 weeks. You can put it on your yogurt for breakfast. You could put it on fresh fruit, or you could just eat it the way it is. It's really good, you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Mrs. Green at Home. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye.